Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in the right place. Install Google Authenticator and sign into the account you want to protect. Once done, open the account's two-step verification or security settings and display the QR code on your computer. Make sure your phone camera is clean and grant the app camera permission. Now open Google Authenticator and tap the plus button to add an account. Choose Scan a QR code. This first step gets you into scanning mode quickly and safely, so you can complete registration. You're now scanning. Point your phone at the on-screen QR code and hold it steady until the app recognizes the pattern. If the camera doesn't read it, switch to manual entry and type the secret key shown on the website. This achieves the same result. Once the account appears in Authenticator, you'll see a 6-digit rotating code. Make sure the code label matches the account you just secured. This step creates the time-based token that links your phone to the account. Finish by entering the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the website's verification field. This confirms the pairing. After it accepts the code, save any backup codes or write down the secret key and store it securely offline. Make sure to label the account in the app for future clarity. If the site rejects your token, sync your phone's time with network time and retry. Time drift is the most common issue. You're done when the website shows two-step verification enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.